Hey everyone, welcome to Web Solution. In today's video, I'm gonna show you how to report posts on IMVU. So let's get started. First, open your IMVU application. Tap on the feed icon at the bottom of your screen. Now select the post that you would like to report. Tap on the three horizontal dots at the bottom of the post. Select Report Post option. In order to report the post, you have to choose a reason. Tap on Choose a Reason button. Then select the reason. Once you are done, tap on the Report button at the bottom of your screen. If you are sure, tap on the Yes button. And this is how you can report posts on IMVU. Thanks for watching Web Solution. If you like this video, hit the like button and drop a comment with any questions or feedback. If you are new, subscribe and click the bell icon to stay updated on the future videos.